Hi, today we're going to be making a delicious snack. We're going to be making cheese puffs, or what the French call des gougères. Those fluffy little puff pastry balls which we have flavored with grated French cheese, and then we're going to take them to the next level by actually then filling them again with a ham and cheese bechamel. Today's cheese we're going to be using is Comté because it gives that nice nutty flavor. Usually you'll find the full recipe in the description below, and we're going to start by making the choux pastry. And we'll do that by first adding the liquid to a saucepan. I've got half milk, half water here. To the liquid we're going to add our butter, and now we're just going to bring that to a light boil. Oh yeah, our butter is melted and our liquid is cooking. So we're now going to add the flour. And once the flour is added, don't switch off the heat yet. We can reduce it a little bit. We're just going to stir it until all the flour is incorporated. And then what we need to do, and this is really important, we need to cook out the flour for about 3-4 minutes. You'll see you'll have a nice ball, and then just keep stirring it, keep breaking it down over the hot surface, the hot bottom, and keep cooking out the flour. Now we're going to transfer this to a different mixing bowl. So we're going to stir it a little bit more and just let it cool down for about 2-3 minutes, not more, before we'll add the eggs, otherwise we'll just cook the eggs. So our mix has cooled down for 2-3 minutes, and now we're going to add our eggs one by one. As soon as the egg is in, give it a good stir. You will see this mix will split. That's perfectly normal. Just keep stirring it until the egg is completely incorporated. If you want to do that in a mixer, go ahead. It's not such a big batch, so I like doing it by hand. And then just stir it vigorously until the egg is incorporated. That's it, first egg is in. See, it's not split anymore. Second egg. Again, incorporate the egg until you have a nice uniform mix. And that's it. Our mix is now ready. Okay, we're gonna season our mix with salt, a twist of black pepper, and a little bit of nutmeg. And next we're gonna add our cheese. We'll mix it all nicely in. Okay, we're going to be making little heaps of our mix and put them onto baking paper. You could say they're about an inch across. We're going to put them about an inch apart as they will expand in the oven. So that's one way of doing it. The other way is using a piping bag. Just don't put too much in your piping bag because this is quite solid. And like that we can just pipe them onto the baking paper. If you want to flatten these little pointy bits, just take a glass of water, make your finger wet, and then just push them down. Oh yeah, our cheese puffs are ready to be baked. We've got a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit, and we're going to cook them for about 15 minutes until they're nicely golden and all puffed up. Very important, do not open the oven door whilst they're baking. Okay, whilst our cheese puffs are baking, we're gonna make our bechamel filling. So we start by adding the butter to a saucepan. Like I said, you'll find all the detailed recipe in the description below. Whilst my butter is melting, I'm gonna finely dice some smoked ham. Just want to have small pieces. My butter's melted, I'm gonna add my flour. I'm gonna cook out the flour for a couple of minutes. Our flour is nicely cooked out. You can see it's easily releasing from the bottom of the pan too. And now we're gonna add some of our milk, maybe like a third of our milk. And now we're gonna stir that until we got no more lumps. We want a smooth paste. And then we can add a bit more of our milk. Another third. Again, our sauce is now smooth. And now we can add the final third of our milk. Okay, whilst we bring our sauce back to the boil, we're gonna season it with some salt, a good twist of black pepper, and some nutmeg. Our sauce is boiling. Next we're gonna add our cheese. That's our grated Comté cheese. And our fine diced ham. I've switched to a wooden spoon. It's easier to stir. I'm gonna switch off the heat. And that's it really. Our cheese and ham bechamel is ready. Our cheese puffs have baked. They're all nice golden brown. So what you do is you take them and with a little knife make a little hole in it and then just twist it out. All we're going to do is make a little hole. I'm going to put some of my cheese and ham bechamel in my piping bag. Fill my puff. I'm just going to put the tube into the hole I made and then just give it a little squeeze. And you can feel it when the filling has gone inside. You don't want to push too hard, otherwise they might burst open. And there you have it. Cheese puffs with ham and cheese filling. Or as the French call it, des gougères avec du jambon et fromage. And they are absolutely delicious. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. Thank you. See you next time.